And this is the part 2. Sorry for making parts, but we make part 1 how to make the parrot, but part 2 we draw here like I draw here like clouds, here 3 clouds I draw, and sun, and here like I draw with light green. I draw like grass. Okay, and here we will gonna make the hair or the hair. Okay, we will put it like this, and the nose of the parrot. See it? You can see it. This is the nose. Okay, we will glue it. Okay, we will glue it. Then when we glue it, we will tape it or put it here, and we must tape this like this, and here we must tape or glue it. It will be like small, and here is our parrot. But when we want to make any design, you can make, okay, we can make like anything. We can draw it. Okay, we can make a like tree, but first thing when we will draw the tree, we draw it here. You want to draw anything, you can draw. And here is our parrot. Like you write, it's like parrot. Activity. Okay, it's parrot activity. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to make subscribe and share and comment and like, and when the video like you like it, make like, and you didn't like it, make dislike. And we will make another activity. Okay, we will make like another activity. Then I thank you for watching, and this is our parrot. It's colorful parrot, and that's our parrot. I wanna. Okay, here is the face like this. Okay. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.